Congratulations, my cousins. Oh, I must make this a bit earlier. I always make it and then start talking, and it's bloody hot. Well, not that you'll believe it now today, but it's start of summer. Probably by the time you get to see this, it'll be towards the end of summer. But gonna make something nice and summery, something that evokes perhaps a nice foreign holiday. We're gonna make some Greek Tzatziki. And so it's quite a simple thing really. We want some cucumber, we want some Greek yogurt, it's got to be Greek yogurt, it's Greek Tzatziki. Greek yogurt, some garlic, some dill, olive oil, should be Greek olive oil, but this guy knows where this comes from, and some white wine vinegar and a bit of salt. Okay, so that's what we're going to make. So let's get started with the cucumber. So I've got one whole cucumber here, and first thing I want to do is I want to peel it, and then you're going to need a grater, and what we're going to do is we're going to grate this into a bowl, and we're going to add a little bit of the vinegar, and we're going to add some salt, and we're just going to let it soak. And then once we've done that bit, we will turn to the yogurty sort of salt, if you like, so that we can then add in our prepared cucumber. So I'm just going to grate this whole cucumber. I'm doing it on the large holes, if you like. So that's got it all shredded, if you like, and I'm going to add a couple of pinches of salt. Pink Himalayan. I've got some nice sea salt, fresh sea salt, but I'm reserving that for me bacon and me things because it's sort of unwashed. I know you're not likely to get much growing on salt, but there you go. And then the next thing I want to add to that is just a tablespoon of the white wine vinegar. And then all we're going to do is we're just going to give that a bit of a mix together and put it to one side while we prepare the yogurt. Into this bowl I'm going to add 300 grams of this Greek yogurt. There you go. Oh look, we've got plenty left for Ron, as my mate would say. If I've got some honey, which I might need to get a bit more of, I can make a nice Greek dessert. I'm just going to crush. I'm probably going a bit overboard with my garlic, but we do like our garlic. You might only want to get away with just one small clove if you're not a huge garlic fan. So in that crushed garlic goes. You can mince it by hand if you want to. And then we're going to want some more white wine vinegar. Now this time we're going to put 2 in. Okay, so we're using 3 in total. 1 went in the and in the cucumber mix, and that's already starting to release its liquid, which we need to get rid of. And then we're going to add to this how much olive oil is this? How much olive oil? 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3. And now all I'm going to do is make sure this is all now mixed together. We're going to take this cucumber mix and we're going to put it through the sieve. Like I say, you could do it through, you know, like a tea towel if you want. Up to you. But basically you want to remove all that liquid. So just going to squeeze it until we've got rid of as much of that liquid as possible. And then what we'll do is then to transfer the dry-ish cucumber into our bowl of yogurt. all that all that cucumber through into that yogurt. And then at that point we're going to add some freshly ground black pepper. He says, can't speak properly. And then we're going to have a little taste to see whether we want to put any more salt into it. So this is the little spoon. I think that's salty enough. Definite garlic kick. So like I said, unless you particularly want it particularly garlicky, don't add as much garlic as I did. And now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to chop up this dill, and then we'll mix that through. Oh, he said try and take his finger off. And let's see, I don't want any more than that. Let's put the rest in. And there we have our Greek Tzatziki. So, and then I'll find a little taste. Perfect. I might add a touch more salt though. But there you go, Greek Tzatziki.